Hey guys, welcome to another episode of server building, and this episode we're going to be making purple magenta permajet dye. I'll figure it out off camera. So we're gonna need these materials right here. Would you stop, please? Okay, so we're gonna need about to do this. Let's put it up in the air this time. 1, 2, and then so I just do the same thing on this side. 2, 2. I'll just fill this up and fill this up. So it's looking good so far. Let's see. Let's add one right here, then one right there. Yep, and then go up about 3. Okay, it's 3. And then just do the same thing. 1, and then done there. Then so now I just fill this in. Well, if we just add like a little bit of that's 3. And then on the other side, just do like there we go. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this magenta and Mapurp dye. I made Mapurp.
Nice haircut.
Whatever. Mapurp dye. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of making Mapurp dye. Leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, we made a made up color. Mapurp dye. See you guys later. Peace out, bro. Yo.